automated AI posted how to set up. So this is our Facebook page, and I have also included my Facebook LinkedIn profile. So this is the LinkedIn profile. Check this post, and same post is also here. So I am posting here automated this process. There is 12 hours automated posted in Facebook and LinkedIn. So this is the first here. Also everything is here, and this is the post in the Facebook here also. Check. So this posted system is automated developed. We have developed it, and this posting from our command setup every 12 hour automatic posted in this both media. So in this process you can we can set up any social media posted automation like a WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter need the paid API, and Telegram bot. We can set up this process. You can implement the automation in the LinkedIn without login or without going this Facebook. We can post it.